I am Dr.K Gireesh, physician, neurophysician and neurosurgeon, and as a part of Health Bouquet, that is health awareness for the general public on various medical subjects. Today, I am speaking on part 3 of sleep. Part 1 in general, I spoke on the stages of sleep. And part 2, what are the brain centers that control sleep? I have told you. And this is part 3. That is, what are the chemical messengers that are transmitting inside the brain when asleep? The main neurotransmitters involved in promoting the wakefulness are again acetylcholine, dopamine, glutamate, histamine, hypocretin or orexin, norepinephrine, serotonin. Each one of them in fact plays a role in arousal, loss of tone and so on. The main neurotransmitters involved in promoting sleep include acetylcholine, adenosine, mainly GABA aminobutyric acid and glycine. Now, if you look into the neurotransmitters which I have told, acetylcholine is situated in the midbrain pons, and it is high during the wakefulness as well as in the REM sleep. It is very low during the NREM sleep. Norepinephrine, another neurotransmitter, it's more in the locus ceruleus, as well as it is active during wakefulness, less active during NREM sleep, as well as inactive during the REM sleep. Histamine, it is another neurochemical transmitter which keeps you awake. Again, it is very high during wakefulness, lower in NREM, and it is very, very low in the REM sleep. Serotonin is another one which is again located in median and dorsal raphe in the brain. It is active during wakefulness, less active during NREM, and inactive during the REM phase of the sleep. Dopamine, you find it is high during wakefulness. It is available, it is actually located in the substantia nigra in the human brain, and it is very low in NREM and the REM sleep. Hypocretin is again a very important hormone. It is situated in the hypothalamus, the large structure, lateral and posterior. It is active during wakefulness. It is less active in NREM, and whether it is active or not in REM, it is not known. But hypocretin, if it is found to be deficient, one will get excessive sleepiness, which is narcolepsy. And GABA is again very important inhibitory neurotransmitter. It's very active during NREM and slightly less active in REM. And it is inactive during the wakefulness. So GABA plays a great role in suppressing various neurotransmitters which keeps you awake. And in addition, you have adenosine, which is again very high during wakefulness. As you dying over the day, adenosine level goes up, and that induces, in fact, to go to sleep late night. And glycine is yet another neurotransmitter which is found in the forebrain as well as it is seen in the spinal cord and promotes sleep. It also contributes to the REM sleep related muscle atonia and hypotonia. So glycine is involved in that. So these are the various neurotransmitters that are involved in sleep. A proper balance of these neurotransmitters' actions, the chemical messengers that is going across the nerve, the nerve to nerve transmission that is occurring, neuron to neuron axon or axon to dendrite or dendrite to axon, that transmission plays a great role in harmonizing for a very good sleep and also maintaining the circadian rhythm, which of course is from the suprachiasmatic nucleus, which is just what you can say just behind our between the eyebrows. If you take up the center glabella, you find just behind it is a suprachiasmatic nucleus which receives messages from the eyeball as well as from the optic nerve, from the vision pathway, and then it sends messages to just behind. There is the pineal gland, and there it releases melatonin, and that is where when it becomes dark, melatonin gets secreted and you get a sleep actually. So, these are the various neurotransmitters that play a proper balance for you to have a very good sleep. Thank you very much.